In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create this dripping effect using just your mobile phone. To edit the photos like this, first thing you need the app called PicsArt. Go to your mobile app store, and if you are using Android, go to Play Store and download this app called PicsArt. Once you download the app, open it and you'll have this first page. Click on the plus icon and select the photo you want to edit. Any photo you want, you can take it. In this example, I'm going to use my photo and click on the cutout here. From here, you'll select the person. So you can see how PicsArt, like the algorithm of Pixel, kind of selected the person, but there are still some areas which need to be refined, like this, especially the edges of the photo. And to refine those edges and to get the precise cutout, I'm going to use restore and erase tool. So you can see the restore. If you click on restore, you can select the size you want and then take the detail back. And in case if you go a little bit extra, click on the eraser tool, select the size you want, and you can just remove this part you don't want it. After that, you have this cutout with you, and then go to fit here and then select the background you want. You can take any background you like, but in this case I'm going to use white background because it kind of blends with the photo. And here you can also adjust the size of your subject, how big or small you want it, and the position. So I'll keep it here. I think this is perfect for me. Hit apply. Then after that, click on sticker, and here you can search the dripping effect. In dripping effect, there are so many effects. You can select whichever you want, but for this case I'm going to select the first one, this one here. After that, adjust the size as you want and where you want it, the position and the length. You can adjust it the way you like it. I'll do this. For me, I think this looks perfect to me. Then after that go to blend and go to screen. Once you have this, you can see how it already created that effect. But if you zoom in, you see this white line here, and to get rid of that, click on the sticker, and on top you see this eraser tool. Click on the eraser tool and erase, then zoom in and start erasing those parts. So once you erase those things, you should be. So there you have a good cutout. So you can always adjust your sticker as you want. You can take it up or down wherever you like it, but I think I like this one. Hit apply. Once you hit apply, you can see this already it has created that dripping effect. Now all you have to do is make it a little bit more pop out, like colorful, and put the good background if you like. So now what I'm going to do is change the color a little bit. So go to effect and click on magic, and here you have all this. You have so many effect here you can use. The one I like to use is magic and then flora. So you have this beautiful cartoonist type effect. I'll change the opacity, the fade, to about 52%. I mean, this looks good to me. Hit apply. I mean, this is good. If you want to stop here, you can stop here, but I'm gonna take it one step further. I'm going to click on add image, and from here I'm going to select this background. I'll take this. So the link for this photo I'll put in the description. If you want to use the same background, you can use it. Again, select the size, increase the size, and select the position you want it. I think I want it right here. Now it's in the front, but you want to put it back. So how do you do that? Click on the eraser tool on top and again select the person. Once you select the person, it kind of masks out the person, but you don't want the person, you actually want the area outside the person. So to do that, just click on the invert button, and now you can see it went back. But still you can see there are some areas like my camera, and these are the edges which are not good refined. To refine those edges and get the precise good selection of the background, I'll click on the erase button again, and from here now you have three options: opacity, hardness, and size. So I'll take the size a little bit lower, opacity a little bit lower, and hardness too. And now here I'll start erasing these places. Maybe I'll take the more opacity, a little bit more hardness, and Now I'll fast forward this, and you can use the restore button to bring this area back like this. So this is my final result. You can stop here or you can take one step further. So I'll click on apply, and then I'll take one step further. I'll hit apply, and then I'll go back again to effect, and here I'm going to go at the ends, click on the colors and saturation. Here I'll keep the saturation about 76%. So this is my final result, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did enjoy, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or anything you want to say, anything you don't understand about this photo or video, please ask me in the comment section. I'm happy to help you, and I'll see you very soon with another exciting video. Till that time, my lovely people, do whatever you want to do in life, but don't forget to stay happy. Bye.